Okay, today we're going to talk about the limit buys. Let's say we'll use Ford as an example. Today, Ford going at $6, roughly a little bit over $6. Um, I got 11 shares, about $4.65 each. So, on a limit buy, what I would do is say I want to buy Ford at $6 and not 604. I would do a limit order. My limit price would be uh, let's say 5.99. And this is an example, so I'm not gonna buy a lot of them. But let's see, I want to buy one share, good for today, or you can make it good until it's canceled. But I'm gonna do it good for today. If Ford get to, let's say, 5.95, I want you to execute and buy one share anytime today this happened before the market closed. Right here during extended hours, you can allow for it to execute, but I'm not going to do that. Right now, the market price is 605. If we get to 595, then it will automatically purchase that one share at 595. Send me an email receipt. What I would do is review my order. You are placing the order good for a day limit order to buy one share Ford. Your pending order, if executed, will execute at $5.95 per share or better. So if you want to get it at a price you want it at, you don't want to sit here and watch it all day, set this stuff up automatically and it will execute it for you and send you your email receipt. Shares purchase one for your order to limit buy one share of Ford has been placed. So if we get to 595, it's going to place that order.